Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so for Flodesk, if you're going to export everybody, you're going to go to Flodesk, you're going to log in, and then you'll be dumped onto the email screen. From here, you're going to want to go to the audience screen. And then from here, you're going to go into segments. It doesn't make sense, but you're going to click on segments. Under segments, you're going to click all subscribers. It's the first one right here, right? You're going to click view, select all, and then you're going to have the choice to select how many subscribers you have. Select all of them, not just the ones on this page. And then once they're all selected, you're going to go to these three little dots. From here, download CSV. And it's going to be, we're exporting all your subscribers. Once your export file is completed, we'll email you a link so you can download your file. Now, if you don't get it, let's make sure that you actually have the right email address. From that, you're going to go to up to, this is like your profile button. From here, you're going to click on overview and just make sure that this email address is the one that you're expecting. If not, you're gonna have to change it and then go back and do those steps again. But that's how, if you're not getting it, it's probably here. And do check your spam folders because it's like a link to something. A lot of spam filters will pick it up. So that's my tips. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, if you want to leave a comment just to say thanks, Wendy, that does help out with it's like a virtual tip. So I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.